Hello, this is Matthew Christian from Tampa, Florida, and on behalf of Expert Village, today we're here to talk about cordless nail guns. After use and after cleaning, you'll want to practice good storage habits. This particular model comes with its own case. It'll help protect the unit for storage and during transport. But before you put it in the case, first of all, you want to remove the battery. It slides out, and how I did that, again, I just press the button and it slides out. Now this particular model has several compartments for extra batteries. We'll use this one. Put the battery in its place. Pretty much this gun would be ready just to store away, but one thing I would like to add, if you do plan on storing it for a long period of time, may I suggest removing the gas cylinder. And again, we just pushed up and out. Gas cylinder comes out, and there are quite a few extra provisions for the gas cylinder. As you can see, I have a few extras. Oh, no, I don't have any extras, but you can see where the gas cylinders go. And then the gun itself fits in just like so. Close the lid, latch it, and store in a cool, dry place.